Yeah, wherever you want. You're the captain. Remember? What's going on? How you doing today? We're out here at Bunces Pass. We got some friends with us. We got Nordine and his wife.
What's up?
Hey! Howdy.
So it's a little bit different because we're going to Bunces. We got some other people. We got Phil and Allie. They're in another boat. So right now we're getting ready to figure out where we're going to anchor. And we've got 2 boats, so keep that in mind.
Yep.
We're thinking about over in here. Then we can just kind of put the boats together. And we've never done this before either, so we're gonna, I think, have our boats. Cool, but we've got some seasoned boaters with us, so
Oh yeah.
we will be fine. Oh, you're good, Cuddy. That's my workout for the day. This little
Yeah, but now I'm worried that we got loose. Is it all set? No, we're good. Is it good? Yeah. There we go.
Yours trim up at all? Oh, yeah.
The line or anything, guys?
Oh, trim ours up too big? Okay, thank you. Oh, we don't need, we just tie it.
Go. Alicia. Oh, he got it. Cool.
Tighter probably.
How do you like Phil's boat?
It's awesome. It rides like a car. Yeah, I'm just like chilling, like in my little passenger seat.
It's really cute.
You alright?
I think we're good.
We made it! Yay! You guys have to sign waivers to be on the channel. Yeah. So we finished getting set up here. We went ahead, we got 2 boats today, tied up to each other. So we got some waves, you got the fenders out, we should be good, hopefully. We should be good. So we'll figure it out. If we gotta adjust, we gotta move, we'll move, but right now I think we're all right. It's gonna be a group effort here. Yeah. Well, we usually don't come over here. We just figured, hey, since we got some people, maybe you guys would like it or something.
I like it over here. But it's every time we come with anybody, it's the same.
You know what? You did not want it as a girl.
They got it.
New guy.
What did he? What'd you say? Tangled up Tuesday.
Oh, it's much better. Where you guys want this?
Where the guys are hanging out, maybe? Right here.
Yeah, put it right over here.
Right here.
This is perfect.
You don't have to. I'll just hold it like this the whole time. How's this? Right here?
I think that's good.
Good.
How is the power pole? How'd that work?
We don't know yet. We're gonna find out.
We'll find out. I didn't get it in that deep. If you want to try to.
Try it. We were thinking trying to get the mallet in
That sounds like his problem.
Yeah. They're getting in there deep. No, we have a lot of that in our channel.
Okay.
It's always about getting in there deep.
Happy.
I'm not happy. I want to give me the big anchor. It's coming over this way.
Okay, you're probably gonna have to move your.
Oh, do I have to move the umbrella again?
No, you don't.
So much innuendo.
Gosh, that one is nasty.
Probably take this and unhook it.
Perfect. We're doubled up. We're good shit.
All right, half hour later. So we don't need that then?
I don't think so, right?
Okay, yeah, I can put that way. All right, now we're in business. I'm gonna make the mimosas. All right, so we're just out here at Bunces. It's been pretty calm today. We've had some waves go by. We do have a storm out there in the distance. Let me show you. Check the radar, nothing to really worry about.
Hi.
Just getting some footage. Yeah, it's all kinds of boats and jet skiers coming by.
Jason, where'd you get this towel? It's really nice.
Look at that toe.
This is the one from China, so feel
All
that
right, let's see.
compared to that one.
Yeah, it does feel a little softer. This one does.
I've seen these before.
That's so gnarly. Don't look up there.
Oh, there's naughty dogs. Naughty dogs. Oh, he's got the dual. Naughty dog's got the dual power poles. So.
Look at that storm over there. What's up, Philly?
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video here. We're out here at Bunces today. We are heading back. We got some storms coming in, so we're gonna do a little filming on the way back in. Make sure you check out our other video. Last week we were out at Egmont. It was a great time. I'm gonna put a link in the description over here, actually in the bottom. But check out that video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.